So today's event is JI Girls to Tech event, and we've got girls here from varied communities all over London who are working together to produce a wearable technology product with business mentors and tech mentors designing these amazing products. Last year we did a similar event, a hackathon, and there were 50 kids and only 5 girls.
One slightly disappointing thing was there was only 5 girls out of all the 50 participants.
Only 15% of all CEOs and people in the technology field are women.
And I thought, you know what, maybe we should try an event that was an all-girls tech event where we could get girls to come along together with no fear of the boys taking over to see what they could do.
We are just absolutely amazed that we have 53 girls here today. Most of them with no background in coding or programming or design.
I'm a big advocate of empowering women and girls, and I think this is a perfect timing for them to actually understand that technology is not that difficult, and also to empower them and make them realize they can do way more than that they think.
The project that we're doing is a stress reliever with rainbow lights, and what happens is when you clap once, the microbit will send to the other microbit a tick. Then when you clap again, the lights will turn on and it will become rainbow.
Different backgrounds, different communities, different schools, different age groups. So right from 8 years old up to 16.
One of the things that I've noticed here today is we've had a lot of role models talking to the girls.
Seeing the excitement, seeing the buzz in the room, seeing how passionate they are, and a project like this is incredible. You are capturing children when they are still growing, when they are still developing.
I've learned how to structure your point when you're making a new product and how to pitch something.
At DCMS we're really keen on supporting grassroots initiatives like this to mutually support the future of the UK tech infrastructure. So I think this event pretty much exemplifies that.
The coding has inspired me to just get more involved with technology and put in more effort, because really any idea can work if you put your mind to it.
I was really impressed at the innovation and imagination that a lot of the kids had.
I have learned how to use the microbit and the new technology. I've learned how to work really well in a team and assign jobs so we can all each have a job and it's all fair.
The way they're working together, interacting together, is a way that we haven't seen in entrepreneurs of a much greater age and experience, so pretty inspirational.
I've really enjoyed making the actual product and feeling as if we were a company and making an actual business plan.
I wasn't really sure what to expect today, and I was absolutely blown away by some of those young girls. The confidence, especially the teamwork.
I thought the event was fantastic. It really showed how capable young girls are, what they can do when they really put their minds to it.
What we're offering them in these 10 hours is the ability to just fly, and they do.
They're really surrounding themselves with idea generation, and these ideas are creating this bond between the girls, and that spark of inspiration has just united these girls, and it's amazing to watch.
The skills that the children are really getting are skills of working in groups with kids of different backgrounds, and skills of working with strangers to build something together. Being able to network with experts and also pitching in front of people. So in 10 hours, the children come out as changed people. I feel that today would be successful if the girls walk out of here knowing that they have the ability to achieve anything they want to.
And what these events are trying to do is really to reach out to the young people and to say, we haven't designed the world of the future, and the people who are going to design that world is you.
The future really is theirs, and they can do whatever they want. There's an electric atmosphere, and the girls are really engaged and really inspired, and I think that they're going to walk out of today changed. I think they're going to actually walk out of today with confidence, with belief that they can do whatever they want to do.